railway here.
Maybe on the wall.
There.
Oh. Right.
Wonder what that is. Electric one. Yeah. That's coming up quite a steep hill. Oh, there it.
We've just missed it.
There it is.
Yeah.
We missed it. We'll be catching it up in a second. Do we go across there? It's behind there somehow.
There it is. It's only a little one. Alright.
Yeah, I want to film it. Brilliant. It's cool. Good, I've got that little bit of video.
Yeah.
I'm going to catch it. The camera, what's the chances? Ah, it's coming along here now.
Is it already?
I'm not going to get out in time. But cool, isn't it?
Yeah. There it is again.
Brilliant bit of film. You're going to come across us? Oh no, there's a gate there. Real?
Oh, there's gates there to stop you going across.
Did you stop in there?
I don't think so.
Going slow. No, yeah, but we'll catch him over there. What's the chances of me getting out? Getting it with the video camera. Slim. Not very fast. Should be okay. I'll have that there.
Come on,
Oh,
quick,
God.
quick.
No chance.
No chance.
Is he coming?
Yeah.
Will I do it?
I don't know.
Yes, I will.